What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Lady M here, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive, a little bit of unboxing in this year's Beautylish Lucky Bag. I was able to snag the extra large bag. Yes, I'm so excited. This is what I always get every year, or at least I try to get every year. So I just got my box today and I just wanted to hop on real quick and do the unboxing with you guys. So before we hop into the unboxing, if you aren't subscribed, then please take some time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, turn on your notification bells because I don't want you to miss out on these awesome videos. All right, so without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2022. All right, so I am excited to go ahead and unbox my bag, my Beautylish bag. All right, so if you don't know anything about the Beautylish Lucky Bags, I'll be sure to list all the deeds about the Lucky Bags. What does it mean? It's, like everything you need to know about what's up with the Lucky Bags in the description box. I do know they have different variations. They have a regular size one for $75, and that one you're able to customize with like fair to medium or medium to deep. You get to pick. And then they had the XL, which is not customizable, but I think they really should work on customizing the XL bag. And then they have like some other options, buy one, get one, all that other stuff. So the bag came out literally the day after Christmas. It was supposed to be shipped like January 17th. They emailed saying it was delayed, yada, yada, yada. So finally, I'm like literally a month later, I'm getting the bag, and now we're about to get into what's in the bag. I have the box right here. So we are going to dive into the box. All right. So Beautylish is like known for their packaging. Everything is always lit in their packaging. So this is what the box looks like, and this is the packaging for the Lucky Bag. I love it. And so we're going to open it up, and everything is like wrapped into this, I don't know what you call this box, so you don't get it like damaged or anything. Okay, so this is the like Lucky Bag wrapping paper, right? So we have that, and then we're gonna go in and unbox the bag. I don't know, am I lucky or am I unlucky? That's the question of the day. Ugh, I already see things in here that I'm already like, ugh. Okay, all right, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, I think this is Hourglass. Yes, and this is the luxury, oh no, this is Wayne Goss. This is the luxury eye palette. That's what this is. It's like this iridescent thing, so you can't really see because of the packaging. So let me go ahead and open this. I did not purchase any of Wayne Goss's like makeup products. I do have like Wayne Goss's brush, so I do know that his brushes are pretty good. So this is the box, the packaging, and this is the Imperial Topaz. Why does it look like it's damaged? Ooh, nice. I'm actually excited about this because I did want to purchase one of the palettes, and that is the palette right there. So this one has the black shade, and then you have this orange shade, bronzy shade, and then you have this matte shade. So it's kind of like a mixture of creams, not creams, but satins, shimmers, and matte. So I'm actually excited for this. Not bad. So far, we're off to a great start here, Beautylish. I am super excited for that. So this was a good one. So let me go ahead and sit this down. I thought it was Hourglass, because Hourglass kind of has that same packaging. And of course, they always include some skincare in their Lucky Bag. And this one is Holifrog Situational Skincare. This is the Antioxidant Dewdrop Galilee. I don't know, how do you say that? So that's what that is right there. It says glass skin, not glass ceilings. Achieving well moisturized skin that's fresh, bouncy, and soft can be a delicate balance. Are you dealing with dry skin or is it dehydrated? This requires different things to be happy. The good news is that Galilee contains a number of ingredients made to satiate both. The silky serum, lotion, emulsion oil is an overachiever and a bit of people pleaser. Now, I do have dry skin, so okay. So I guess it's like a combination of like finishes. Apply after cleansing and toning as a replenishing serum, can be used before or in place of your moisturizer. So let's open that up. Oh, okay. So that is what it looks like. Looks like a lotion. Doesn't really have a smell. Okay, so I got some skincare up in here, not too shabby. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. And let's see. So it says like it was an emulsion of like silky serum, lotion, emulsion, oil. So it's kind of like, wow. So that is it blended out compared to my other hand. See that? Wow, that's pretty nice. Okay. They always have something in their packaging, in their Lucky Bags from Good Molecules. Good Molecules is a Beautylish brand. So this is their hyaluronic acid boosting essence, formulated to promote the skin's ability to retain moisture. So shake well, dispense a few drops into palms or cotton pad and pat into the skin. Apply hyaluronic acid serum following boosting essence. Avoid direct eye contact. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly, and you can use this day or night, and the pH is 5.6. So this is going to balance the skin, especially after you cleanse, or you may use some kind of toner. All right, so they always have some hair stuff in their bags too. Like I think the last couple times I have gotten it, I always got a hair product. Last year I got the Orbe. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my last year unboxing, make sure you do. I'll be sure to link it in the card so you can check out my box from last year. And this box is no different. I have something from Verb, and this is the Ghost Oil. This is also another popular product. I know there's a lot of people that loves this. So I haven't tried this personally, so I will be excited to try this out. It's a smoothing moringa blend plus weightless hair oil. You know, I got curls. Yes, if you haven't seen the curls are back. So I love to use like oils in my hair because I have curls and I also have color treated hair. So I always love to find me a good oil that I can use to, you know, give me some shine so that my hair isn't like all frizzy, but I don't mind. Let the frizz be great, right? All right, so the next thing I have is a Wayne Goss lipstick, and this one is named Hyacinth, and y'all, hopefully this is friendly, or is this the gloss? I'm not sure, because he does have glosses and he does have lipsticks. So what does it say? It says the High Shine Gloss. So this is the gloss. I wish they would insert like a little packaging, you know, so you know like what you're actually getting. Ooh, this looks pretty. Okay, all right. I got me two Wayne Goss things that I wanted to try that I never got a chance to. So this is the gloss. It's pretty, definitely up my alley. So definitely something that I would be excited for. And then I got three more things in here, and I forgot what the value of these boxes are supposed to be. So, well, I got a couple things. This is like a Natasha Denona Chromium Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadow. Ooh. So if you know, like, if you've used the Stila eyeshadows, this is supposed to be similar to the Stila eyeshadows. So let me see. This is probably like, and it's a Chromium. What's the shade name? I don't know what the shade name is. Oh, it is Infra Nude. So that's the shade name for this. And I put it next to the lipstick right there. So you probably won't be able to see. Turn my hand all the way around. So do you see it? It is like a nude color for real. It looks almost very similar to the shade of the lipstick. So that's pretty dope. Okay. I have an eye palette, which I think I already own this, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go check to see. But this is the Charlotte Tillsbury Luxury Palette, and this is the color-coded eyeshadow, and this is the shame walk. This is the color Walk of No Shame. I have the blush, I have the eyeliner in this color, and I want to say I think I have this already, but this is what it looks like. So definitely nice, neutral, dark skin friendly. Love it, love, love. And I have the blush in this shade already. So that is something I'm happy about. And I think every year there's always Charlotte Tilbury in the box because I always get like the bronzer palette. I have gotten the eyeshadow palette before. So I've always gotten something from Charlotte. All right, so this is Surratt. I don't know if that's how you say it. Surratt, and this is their Artistique Liquid Blush. And what is this shade? This shade is Classique. This is cute. So this is the packaging, and the color is like a nice peachy kind of color. And okay, so you twist up. Maybe I'm doing it too much. Ooh, yes I did. And I guess it comes out. That is so cute. So it comes out that little whole thing right there, if you could see. And you're not gonna be able to see, but I put it like on my hand, like right there. So you can't really probably see at all. But okay, so I have a liquid blush. Definitely, I've been into liquid blushes lately. The color is dark skin friendly, so that is a plus. Yes. And what else I got? This is from Hindash, and this is Hairline. So I'm assuming that this is an eyeliner. What does it say? Doesn't say. But I think this is an eyeliner. I think it may be a liquid eyeliner too. Yes. So this is Hindash, as you can see the name, and it's called Hairline, and I think it is a liquid eyeliner. Yep, it is a liquid eyeliner. So that is neat. I'm always on the hunt for liquid eyeliners. My favorite right now is my Tom Ford, of course. And then the last thing, every year you always get some brushes. So I have some brushes here, but the thing is, I don't know what the brand is. So orange handles with gold and white brush hair. Yeah, I don't know what the brand is. It's just called Unit 304, Unit 302, which is like the brush name, but I don't know what the brand is. So this may be like a Beautylish brand or something. I'm going to do some research and I'll be sure to let you guys know either on screen or in the description box below. And you guys, I have to say, Beautylish came through this year. I am definitely lucky, and I happen to say that I like everything in my box. I mean, you know, me and skincare, we're kind of iffy, so I don't really, you know, like to dibble and dabble in too much skincare. But I feel like the products that I got are definitely something that is easy to incorporate, not really anything harsh, you know, chemically. So that will be good to incorporate in my skincare. I love all the makeup products, the hair oil. Yes, I'm here for it. So guys, let me know. What did you get in your Beautylish box? Were you lucky for 2022 or not so lucky? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And before you go, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.